देखिए, जिस तरीके से बार बार एग्जाम्स रद्द हो रहे हैं और एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर कोई जवाबदारी लेने को तैयार नहीं है, मैं तो कहती हूँ ये एजुकेशन इमरजेंसी लग गई है देश में। नीट पेपर लीक हुआ, उसको एक्नॉलेज नहीं किया। सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की जब हमारी मांग थी उसको ठुकरा दिया गया। कल रात को आकर वो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी के लिए हाँ कर देते हैं। एनटीए के जो चेयरमैन हैं उनको ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं। फिर नीट का जो पीजी एग्जाम होना था उसको कैंसिल कर रहे हैं। अब बिहार पुलिस के माध्यम से पता चला है कि ये पूरा इंटरस्टेट रैकेट था। पेपर लीक का सिर्फ बिहार तक ही नहीं है, जो कह रहे हैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान कि सिर्फ बिहार तक सीमित है, वो झारखंड में भी पाया गया है। और जैसे जैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा पता चलेगा क्या 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 है। और नीट पीजी एग्जाम सिर्फ कुछ घंटे बाद एग्जाम होने वाले हैं, उससे पहले आप एग्जाम कैंसिल कर देते हैं। ये किस तरीके का काम हो रहा है? मैं कहती हूँ एनटीए के चेयरमैन के ट्रांसफर से ज्यादा आज अगर जरूरत है तो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर के इस्तीफे की जरूरत है, क्योंकि बार बार आप लोग इतने सारे युवा, करोड़ों युवाओं के जो आकांक्षाएं हैं, जो उनके सपने हैं, उसको चूर चूर कर रहे हैं। It is I would say it is an education emergency in this country with the rate at which exams are getting cancelled, the rate at which the education minister refuses to hold himself accountable. We are seeing how paper after paper is being postponed or cancelled or advanced to another date. Dharmendra Pradhan had refused for any investigation with regards to the NEET paper leak. Now, as we see more investigation coming out and it becoming an interstate racket, late last night, he announced that a CBI inquiry would be handling this entire paper leak issue. He's also gone on to say that a NEET exam was a localized issue limited to Bihar. Again, he has been proved wrong. So just goes to show this education minister is clueless. He has instilled a sense of education emergency in the country. And how unfair is it that children who prepare for months on end, and they see their paper getting cancelled at the last minute? It is a shame, and just the transfer of NTA chairman will not work. It is Dharmendra Pradhan who will have to resign for being an absolute failure as far as education ministry is concerned. Just because of the majority that Bharatiya Janata Party enjoyed in the last 2 terms, they did away with a lot of constitutional norms. They did away with the position of having a deputy speaker at all. And we have seen this repeatedly, that BJP tries to undermine the constitution and parliamentary procedures. If they want a bill passed, they will suspend over 150 MPs. If there is any controversy, they will not hold themselves accountable. So this is not how it should be working. And what Sharad Pawar ji is saying is right. Now, people of India have given a responsibility to the opposition. They have given strength to the opposition to ensure that constitutional morality prevails. And we will work towards ensuring that constitutional morality will prevail and parliamentary procedures will not be bypassed by the sheer arrogance of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the sheer majority that they enjoyed, and it's far away from majority now. We won't allow them to run the parliament as per their whims and fancies.